Hi everyone, so many have asked for this, that you've got your phone and you want to know how to make a key. And those that have got the key and have had a problem with it, this will help you as well. So all you're going to need for this is your phone and the key card. And we're going to look at fixing this problem right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
So we're going to take it in stages. Firstly, if you've got phone key and suddenly it's not working anymore, the best thing you can do is really remove the app, restart the app, and then it will take it completely out. If you sign out like this, the problem is when you sign back in, you're back in, and if it's a problem, it's a problem. And what I would also do is I would now, if you're having a problem with your phone key, put on the 2 buttons and the foot pedal, and that will do a fast reset for you. Now, if you're not sure how to do all that, I'll link it in the video at the end. If your program's stalling and you've got a problem with it, there's 5 different ways of actually doing it. So what we're going to do now is we're going to completely remove the app from the phone and reinstall it again. And then we're going to go through the procedures, and this time that will actually wipe the key completely, and then you'll have to set the next procedure up. Okay, got it? So you go to the app, there you go, and then it says remove. So we're going to remove it by hitting the minus. It will disappear shortly. There it goes. On that, remove the app. So this is where you'll need your key card. Okay, so you'll need to have this so that we can set it up. So let's follow the next procedure. So far you're getting to it. It's quite easy and we'll have it sorted out. Here we go. It's always a good idea to update the app, because 7 hours ago we're now on 4.23. Doesn't seem to be anything changing. You still can't see the display changing on the screen. If you go for charge and you set up to 215, does it on the car but not on the screen. They haven't fixed that yet, so I don't quite know what they've added to the app. It says the same things as it did previously on 4.2. 0.1 is not really increased. So what we do is we hit this button here, which is the car. You go to locks, and the one I'm going to get rid of here, the mobile phone, is the one that says Mission Impossible. So I'm going to press delete. So that'll be whatever yours is called, you delete it. Now it's going to ask you for the key card, which is what I told you to have earlier. So you put that at the back here, and it's gone. And if you see now, it's no longer in my list of phones. Great, so that's the first stage done. Now we're going to sign in, and then we're going to run through the steps for you. Okay, so we're going to sign in now. Now we've got the app back onto the phone, and here we go. So we're going to type in the actual email, password, and we're done. Now we're going to, there it goes. Tesla would like to send you notifications. Okay, so that's fine. And then we'll carry on. And if you look, right, let's set up phone key. Here we go. It's saying have your key card ready. So we're going to have that ready. Right, set up phone key. So we're going to touch that. It says set up phone key. So it's taking me into the right menu. And as soon as we do that, you'll see a graphics of what you should be doing next when you get to the locks. And here we are. You can see it there. Like, you get your key card ready, and you're touching it onto the back of your cup holders, and that will then set it up. Success and done. You can see it's giving me a card there. My Apple phone is called that, and it's a phone and not a key card. If it's giving you the card as a key card, then there could be a problem. So let's just take this now, and we're going to turn on the walk away now. You can either have it off, on, and you can also have it remembers your location, so that if you're in a garage somewhere, it won't lock up when you walk away. And we're going to do this. Let's do it. Press locks, and you slide up, and there it is. Walk away door lock. You've got the off, the on, or exclude home. We don't need that. I'm a firm believer that if you've got your car, you want to keep it locked where it's in the garage or not. And it says on the bottom there, if we take it zoom in for you, automatically locks doors and trunks when leaving with a phone key or fob. Brilliant. Well, that should take care of all the problem with your phone key. So many people have had this problem, and now hopefully this is going to be done. If this has been useful to you, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because that's very important. As a new video comes out that will help you, you'll be one of the first to get it on the map. The competition is coming. Yes. As soon as we get to 1,000 subscribers, then we're going to start giving some prizes out. And the way you can enter to get a prize is very simple. You just put that you've subscribed if you'd like to. And remember, subscribing is easy. You can remove it if you wish. But why would you want to? Please don't. Now, if you subscribe, put on there you've subscribed. That way you will get the latest and everything will be brilliant. And as soon as we're ready to draw, all the names will go in there, and it could be you getting one of the fabulous products we're going to be giving away to help you in your car. I'm actually trialing loads of different products now to see if they're any good to give them away. I know, I'd like to keep them, but they're not here to keep. There's loads to look at, and there's some nice things that I'm looking at sending you your way. And all you need to do is to get my subscribers up to 1,000, and this will be brilliant. And I hope your day is going brilliantly, and whatever you're doing, please continue to enjoy, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Until then, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Oops.